hello children. Today we are going to start with our chapter first, that is internal organs and their functions. As you all know, we have some organs that are not visible, but they're inside our body and they work all the time, right? So in this chapter, I will tell you about their functions also and what are those organs. So an organ, what it is a structure which is a pet, which has a particular job to perform. What its work is to perform its job regularly. Right? Our body has various organs which perform different functions. Some of them are visible, such as ear, eyes, nose, and limbs. You can see your eyes, ears, limbs, but there are some organs that are not visible to us, but they work inside our body all the time, like lungs, heart, kidney, stomach. What are these? These are the organs that are not visible, and these organs are also these organs are called internal organs. The organ that can be seen from outside are called external organ, while the organ which are located inside the human body, जो human body के अंदर located, what we call them internal organ. All these organs work in coordination to perform their function properly and together, and they make a system. There are several systems in our body. We have digestive system, excretory system, right, respiratory system. So one by one, I will explain you all the types of system that works inside our body. You can see here we have respiratory system and its organ. We inhale oxygen for breaking the food to release energy. हम क्या inhale करते हैं? Oxygen, जिससे अपने खाने को तोड़ सके, right? The breaking of food releases what? Carbon dioxide. वो क्या release करता है? Carbon dioxide which is exhaled, and this process is called respiration. Respiratory system. In this, what we include, we have nose, right? We have windpipe and lungs over here. All animals and living creatures have respiratory system for various kinds. Breathing is an important process of respiration. जो breathing है वो क्या है? एक important process है respiration का. When we inhale air through our nose, जब हम सांस ले रहे हैं, air inhale कर रहे हैं अपनी nose से, it reaches the lungs and from here it enters the blood. और वो यहाँ से कहाँ जाता है? Blood में जाता है. The impure air, जो impure air होती है, that is carbon dioxide, is also breathed out from the lungs. And when we breathe in, our chest expand. जैसे ही हम breathe in करते हैं, हमारी chest expand कर जाती है, और जब हम breathe out करते हैं, तो हमारी chest क्या करती है? What it's do? It's come to its original size. The respiratory system allows oxygen in our body to be used for the conversion of food into energy. Let's study about the digestive system. वही हम खाना खा रहे हैं, तो क्या हो रहा है? डाइजेस्ट कर रहे हैं. तो with the help of digestive system, and let's see the different organs that are also included over here. So the food taken by us is digested and absorbed by our body to get energy out of it. The process is called digestion. उस process को क्या बोला जाता है? Digestion. The organs that perform different functions. जो organ different functions perform करते हैं, what we call them digestive organ, like esophagus, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. What are these? These all are your internal organs that are that comes under digestive system, right? You can see this is mouth, right? And this is your esophagus, this is liver, this is gallbladder, this is stomach, right? Here lies your pancreas, this is large intestine, this is small intestine, rectum, anus, this is appendix. These all are included in our digestive system, right? We bite into something, we want to eat and begin to chew it, thus we initiate the activity of digestion. The process of digestion, from where it begins, the question can be asked to you, from where the process of digestion begins. It is from your mouth. Right, when we chew the food break into smaller particles, this crushed food gets mixed with watery substance. और उस watery substance को क्या बोला जाता है? Saliva. Right, so your stomach turns food into soapy mixture using strong acids and muscles. So let's study about all the organs one by one. Like we have food pipe. Once we swallow the food, जैसे हमने swallow करा food को, it travels down the stomach through the food pipe. Stomach is a bladder-like structure. It churns food and it changes into उसमें चेंज करता है पेस्ट में विद द हेल्प ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव जूस, जो कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं, हमारे स्टमक में. द फूड इज देन पास्ड इनटू स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. कहाँ पास हो जाता है? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, इट्स अ लॉन्ग नैरो कोलाइड ट्यूब. While the food is passing the stomach to the small intestine, what is receives juice and from where? Liver and pancreas. Right? Next is the digestion starts in the stomach, and where it is completed? It is completed in the small intestine. And now the digested food is absorbed into blood in the small intestine. The undigested substance and water pass into large intestine. Next is large intestine. It is its work is to absorption of water and remaining undigested tube material. After absorption of water, it also helps in removing undigested solid waste material from the body through the anus. Next is pancreas. It lies behind the stomach, and the pancreas, what it produces? Digestive juices that helps in breaking down of food in small intestine. Then we have liver, which is located in the abdomen, and it is a vital organ. If it stops working completely, deaths occur within a few hours. अगर वो बंद हो जाता है काम करना, तो few hours में इंसान मर जाता है. And the liver is concerned with the digestion of food, storage and conversion of food material, addition of components of the blood, destruction of poisonous substances, and excretion of water. Right? So let's study about the circulatory system. So here the heart and the blood vessels form a circulatory system. कौन बनाता है circulatory system? Blood and the blood vessels. So, it is responsible for circulation of blood to all the parts of the body. Circulation of blood takes place with the help of arteries, veins, capillaries and heart. Right? So, then we have heart, which pumps blood to various parts of the body through the blood vessel. It is located in the chest cavity towards the left side, and it is divided into 4 chambers. किसमें divided है? 4 chambers. Two on either side. The right side receives blood which is rich in carbon dioxide from all the parts of the body and send it to lung. और जो लेफ्ट साइड है वो क्या रिसीव करता है? ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड. एंड वेयर इट सेंड इट्स टू द रेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. Arteries are situated little deeper in the skin, and they carry blood from the heart to capillary. Then we have capillaries, which is thinnest blood vessel like thread, and what they carry? Blood to the entire cell of the body. Then we have veins. What are these? These are thick tubes. What do? They carry blood from all the organs of the body back to the heart. Right? Then we have next, that is nervous system. This is your brain. You can see here, and your nervous system controls all the activities of your body. Brain, spinal cord and nerves are the main organs. You can see this is a brain, which is the control center of your body, where it is located. It is a control center, and where it is located? In the skull. And what it gives? Order to various system and organ through the nerve, and it consists of 3 parts. Cerebrum, right? Cerebellum, and your cerebrum, main part of the brain, which is located, it is called thinking part. तो cerebrum है, उससे ही हम सोच समझ सकते हैं. Cerebellum, it is smaller in size and located under the cerebrum, and it works with cerebrum to control the movement. जो हमारी body movements है, muscles की movement है, उनको क्या करता है? वो control करता है. Brain stem, जिसे हम medulla कहते हैं, right? What it's do? It's control breathing and heartbeat. Next we have spinal cord, which is accumulated lines of nerve. It starts from the waist and goes up to brain through the spine of your body. देखो कहाँ से शुरू होता है? I will show you over here. You can see that from here, this is your spinal cord. What do we call it? Message travel from our brain. Message हमारे brain से travel करता है down the spinal cord into all the parts of the body. Incoming message enters spinal cord from all the parts of the body, और फिर वो brain में जाता है. Next we have nerves. What are nerves? These are thread-like structure which is distributed all over the body. They carry all sort of sensation. जो भी sensation हम feel करते हैं वो सबको carry करता है. And it is a nerve that makes us feel the effect of touch, light, sound, smell, taste, heat, cold and pain. Now we have excretory system, means elimination of waste product from the body. जब क्या हो रहा है, हमारी बॉडी से वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट बाहर आ रहा है, व्हाट्स वी कॉल इट, excretion. The system include kidney, lungs and skin, and the organ of the excretory system, what they do, they throw out the waste regularly, and this helps the body to work smoothly, and it has two bean shaped kidney. Right, you can see this is your kidney, right kidney, left kidney. Right, there are two types of waste in our body. दो तरीके के waste होते हैं हमारी body में, solid waste और liquid waste. Solid waste means feces, which is excreted from the intestine through the anus. And then the liquid waste come from our body in the form of, किस form से वो आता है, सब हमें पसीना आता है, sweat आता है, urine के form में. Then we have kidney. Kidney filters urine and send it to urinary bladder where it gets stored and passed out through the urethra. Then we have lungs, that are organ through which oxygen gets into the body and carbon dioxide produced in the body. Also comes out the body through lungs. Skin, जो sweat है वो body skin से pore से बाहर आता है. Now skeleton system, a framework of many bones. Right, it's a framework. Let's study about the skeleton system. What it do? It support and it gives support to our body. Like I'm standing over here because of my skeleton system. Right? So with the help of bones and joints, bones are linked together at joint. We have important types of joint. What are the ball and socket joint? जो किसी भी डायरेक्शन में मूव कर सकता है, जैसे आपका हिप जॉइंट हो गया, शोल्डर जॉइंट हो गया. हिंज जॉइंट विच मूव्स ओनली बैकवर्ड, पीछे की तरफ और आगे की तरफ ही मूव कर सकता है. लाइक नी. ग्लाइंडिंग जॉइंट जो फ्लेक्सिबल होता है, बैंड व्हेन यू बैंड फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस जॉइंट. जो हम आगे झुक पा रहे हैं, पीछे हो जाता है, वो इसी जॉइंट की वजह से. नाउ पिवोट जॉइंट विच मूव्स अप एंड डाउन एंड आल्सो साइड वे, जैसे आपका स्कल हो गया, अप एंड डाउन और साइड वे और अप एंड डाउन. लाइक दिस आई एम रोटेटिंग माय head. You can see ball and socket joint over there. This is hinge joint, gliding joint, pivot joint, and then we have muscular system. Apart from bones, muscles also helps us to work and do other activities along with bone. This gave shape to our body, and we have 600 muscles in our body, and together what they form? They form muscular system. Right? There are three kinds of muscles: voluntary, involuntary and cardiac muscles. Voluntary जो अपने आप work करते हैं, they work, muscles work according to our will. भाई अगर हम वर्क, जैसे मैं legs move कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, वो हमारी will से work करेंगे. Involuntary muscles, they work automatically and like muscles of eyes and foot pipe. Cardiac muscles, heart consist of cardiac muscle. वो किस तरह की muscle है? Involuntary है, वो अपने आप work करती है. Right? We have 17 muscles to smile and 43 to frown. So smiling is easier, better for you. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything I have explained you. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying.